Sinead here from Crossings Toyota in Naas. We have this 2019 hatchback Corolla. You can see it's got LED running lights, alloy wheels, bi-tone colour scheme. This is one of our Toyota Plus cars, so it's going to come with the remainder of its warranty and 1 year's free roadside assistance. So that's Toyota Assist, it's 24-hour roadside assistance. This is one of our hybrids, so it's automatic. Now just show you inside. So you have your full electric windows and mirrors. There's auto beams and auto wipers. Multifunction steering wheel with your Toyota Safety Sense features. So there's pre-collision alert, road sign assist, lane departure alert, cruise control. And you have your volume controls and your Bluetooth on the other side. There's 30,000 kilometers on this, and it comes with a colour screen reversing camera, and a Toyota Media Centre, which is touchscreen. Quick look in the back. You have your electric windows. There's a centre armrest with cup holders, and you have your ISOFIX points for attaching child seats securely. If you want to know more about this Corolla hatchback or any others that we have in store, give us a call on 045 897589 or email sales@crossings.ie. Thank you.